Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Honda Accord headliner. First, gather all your tools, including a screwdriver set, trim removal tools, and a good quality spray adhesive. Next, make sure you have your new headliner fabric or a complete replacement board ready. Finally, for safety, always disconnect your car's battery before you begin working on any interior components. This prevents accidental shorts. Now, let's get to removing the old headliner. Start by carefully prying off all the plastic trim pieces around the headliner's edge using your trim removal tools. Then, unclip the sun visors and grab handles. Don't forget to disconnect any electrical connectors for your dome lights or sunroof controls. Once everything is detached, gently pull the old headliner board down and out through a door opening. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more DIY guides. On another note, if you're looking for a book that can truly change how you think about money, check out *The Simple Path to Wealth*. It's a fantastic read. You can find the link to the book and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With the old headliner board out, it's time for preparation. This step is crucial for a professional finish. First, thoroughly scrape off all the old, deteriorated foam and adhesive residue. You can use a stiff brush or sandpaper to ensure the board surface is perfectly clean and smooth. If you find any cracks or damage, repair them now with a strong adhesive or filler to create a solid base for your new fabric. Now for the exciting part, installing your new fabric. Work in sections, applying a high-temperature spray adhesive evenly to the headliner board. Carefully lay your new fabric over the adhesive, smoothing it out with your hands to prevent any wrinkles or air bubbles. Take your time here for a flawless look. Once the fabric is adhered, trim the excess, leaving about 1 inch to wrap around the board's edges for a clean finish.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.